Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block everyone from seeing your story on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram account, and before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. Then you want to click on story, create a story, and then click on close friends. And basically you can have as many or as few close friends as you want, and if you have like only one, or you can even create a new account and only have like yourself, and only you will be able to see the stories, then you would just post the story, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.